1 million app downloads. How does it sound? The moment your app reaches that kind of number, you automatically join an elite club of app entrepreneurs who have started tasting success. And my friend, this milestone is not impossible, only if you have some clever tricks up in your sleeves. I have worked with many app-based startups for several years now, and I have seen how difficult it is to get that recognition of 1 million downloads. According to Sensor Tower, iOS App Store and Google Play generated over $39.7 billion in revenue for the businesses in the first half of 2019 alone. That's 15.4% increment. As consumers continue their spending, more and more businesses are getting their apps. Each day, according to Statista, 6,115 new apps are added to the Play Store. However, not all applications are successful. 67.97% of apps don't even get 1,000 downloads. I have seen people spend huge amount of marketing dollars on worthless tactics that gives no result. On the other hand, we have a countless example of startups just growth hacking their ways to 1 million downloads. With the immense amount of competition on different app stores, convincing users to install a new app is very challenging. But with the right blend of development and marketing, you can get your mobile app downloads reach 1 million mark. Hello friends, I'm Ritesh Osta from Innofied, and today I'm going to discuss the top 6 hacks for getting 1 million app installs. Now, before I go deep into discussion, I would request you to subscribe to our channel. If you are enthusiastic about product design and development, app development, startups and entrepreneurship, we discuss a lot of problems and solutions in the tech world and how it can solve your business problems. We also send a lot of free giveaways like ebooks, templates, worksheets to our subscribers regularly, so please do stay connected to us. So friends, do you want to know how to get 1 million download for your app? Let's check out the steps. Step number 1. Ensure quality. Now, if you're looking for 1 million app downloads, I would assume that you have a solid idea already and you know the audience very well. In that case, congratulations. You're already ahead of many of your competitors. Next comes ensuring quality. Poor UX, buggy code, subpar performance are some of the main reasons for a mobile app abandonment. Users don't cling to May app, especially when great alternatives are out there already. Moreover, both App Store and Google Play maintain a certain quality guidelines. Therefore, it's your job to make sure that the app is a bug-free and the one which meets all guidelines. There are a few ways to ensure that, and I recommend releasing a beta version before the proper official launch. It's much better to catch issues and resolve them in beta stage. Periodic code review is also very effective to catch human errors, identifying sections of code that could use some reworks. Investing in a good debugger and an expert testing team also pays dividend. Also, keep your eyes open and be ready to fix reported issues after your app goes live on the App Store. User experience is very important. For starters, make sure that your app is responsive. You also want a design that must feel intuitive to the user and looks good at the same time. Step number 2, take care of ASO, that is App Store Optimization. ASO, simply put, is like an SEO for app stores. You try to rank higher for your targeted keywords. To be honest, ASO on its own is a huge topic, and discussing every small detail is beyond the scope of this video. However, there are 3 key points for you to get started. Point number 1 is keyword. The right keyword is the lifeblood of ASO. Like SEO, you want to optimize your headlines and description according to your targeted keywords. In order to find those, you can use any reputed keyword tool. After thorough keyword research, pick the keywords with the right mix of search volume and competition. Another sneaky technique is look for the keywords in the description of the most successful niche apps and competitors. You can also get more keyword ideas from the user review section of your competitors. Point number 2 is user review. There are certain ways of managing your App Store rating and reviews in an effective manner. App Store algorithm puts a lot of stress on what and how many reviews you've got. Higher number of positive reviews usually helps your app to climb up in the search ladder faster. User reviews also shape user perception. 79% of the users check reviews before downloading an app. If there are many negative reviews, user would probably avoid downloading the app, which in turn would hit the ranking. That's why it is important to have a proper app review strategy. As you know, with negative reviews is so important, check regularly to spot such reviews. If you find any, respond to it and address the issue. For a new visitor, any negative review that was addressed publicly and resolved is a sign of good customer service. For getting positive reviews, you can reach out to your satisfied customers. In-app notification for review also works. We have an excellent video on how to get positive reviews and I have provided the link in the description box below. Point number 3 is images and visuals. Screenshot and other visuals do influence users' decision. Ideally, you want to have a professionally taken screenshot highlighting the most useful functions of your application. Next comes the introductory video. It shows users how to use different functions of your app. Thus, having videos on App Store page is a must. You can shoot and edit it yourself if you know what you are doing. Otherwise, hire the right people to do it for you. Point number 3 is do a pre-launch promotion. Most businesses build an app first and then try to reach their audience later. But getting more app downloads is easy when you change the order. Pre-launch campaigns do wonder when it comes to creating a buzz. You don't need to do anything fancy. But for that, you have to get your pre-app launch strategies in place. However, you can start by uploading videos on YouTube. I also recommend having a pre-launch website. It helps in bringing the free search engine traffic. PPC ad campaigns can also increase the app downloads significantly. Crowdfunding is another option which deserves a mention. If done correctly, you can get funding while building a community before the app launch. People take pride in being part of creating something. Chances are good that they would talk about it to their family and friends. Win-win, right? Point number 4 is harnessing the power of content marketing. If you want a sustainable, high-converting way of increasing app downloads, invest in content marketing. What content marketing does is it hooks your users by providing high-value content. Once they get familiar with the content and the brand, users become willing to use your app. Usually, a blog is all that you need. You want to publish a super useful blog post, guides and ebooks for your target audience. Yes, there are scope of having promotional content, but those should be at the bottom of your content funnel. Buffer blog is a perfect example of blogging done right by app-based business. If you want to try audio or visual content instead, then you can create videos and podcasts. Feel free to try anything from social media live streams to YouTube videos. However, no matter what kind of content you choose, educating your audience must be the top priority. You can take a look at SlideBean's YouTube channel for inspiration. Remember, like any other content marketing campaign, you need a solid content and a distribution strategy for your app promotion campaign. SEO, paid search, email marketing, guest posting, distribution channels are countless. Pick whatever works for you. Point number 5, embrace the social. According to Statista, 2.41 billion users stay active on Facebook alone. Your audience is on social media platforms, period. Therefore, it makes sense to embrace the power of social media marketing. Two go-to social media marketing strategies for app promotions are paid advertisement campaigns and influencer marketing. For paid social media campaign, you create a suitable content and reach out to your target users. Influencer marketing is a little different. Basically, you approach a social media influencers with a sizable following to promote your app. At the beginning, you can ask micro-influencers to review your app in exchange for gifts or full access. Once your business starts picking up, you can switch to sponsored posts and bigger influencers. You can find most of the influencers on social media. All you need to do is search for relevant tags to spot the right one. On platforms like YouTube, a simple search using the right keywords will provide you with the list of YouTubers you can approach. Point number 6. Get featured on review sites. 84% of the users trust third-party reviews. They visit an app review site, Q&A sites and forums before trying any new app, especially if it comes with a paid subscription option. Influential blogs also have a tremendous effect on which apps users choose to download and spend money on. As an app marketer, you would do yourself a disservice if you don't get your app on their sites. Some positive reviews can result in big spike in your app download count. In order to leverage the full potential of online review blogs, reach out to app review sites like TechCrunch, Product Hunt, and AppStorm. So these are the 6 hacks that you can implement to increase your app installs. Friends, getting 1 million app download might seem little ambitious, but it is possible to achieve that with some proper strategy and right execution. Many people have already done that. However, even after you reach your goal, don't stop scaling your app. Always remember to stay connected with your users by providing value. Please share this video with any of the friends or colleagues who are either launching an app or are in process of creating one, or who already have one. This video might help them succeed faster. If you have any other hacks for getting 1 million app installs, I want to know about it. So please share your ideas with me and with our audience in the comment section. Let us know what you think about it and what has worked for you. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Please like and share this video and spread the message. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.